That F-150 guy back with another 2018 F-150 XLT crew cab. Got a two-wheel drive truck for you guys. Still with a 4-inch lift, big wheels and tires. Those are 20-inch fuel wheels. This truck has power boards, keyless entry. It does have the chrome package with the front bumper and the door handles there. It also has remote start. This has got the V8 5-liter, and it does have an exhaust on it. Great sound, Texas edition truck, tow hitch, bed liner, window tint all the way around. I'll show you where the exhaust is dumped out here. This truck sounds great, looks great, and being a two-wheel drive XLT, man, it's priced right too. So if you're interested, give me a holler. Let's schedule a test drive, get you down here. Got plenty of other lifted trucks on the lot, and over 400 trucks that can be lifted. This is not your cup of tea, so let's take a quick glance inside the 2018 two-wheel drive XLT. Again, keyless entry, power seats, adjustable pedals, your steering wheel controls, 8-inch touchscreen, dual climate controls with heated seats, and in this little pocket you've got 2 USB ports, and your 12-volt and your AC are right here. This one's got the nice center console, so it's not a bench seat. Plenty of seating in the back. It does have an electric rear window there that slides. 2018 two-wheel drive XLT with a 4-inch lift, guys. Thanks for watching.